Alright, what up guys? I'm gonna teach you some magic tricks after I did that performance. So go in the comments below if you liked my trick, my dude. Yeah, so I'm gonna teach you some magic tricks. Really simple and really easy to learn. So here we go. First is the ambitious card. This originated, I don't know when, but frick it. Because I'm just gonna teach you how to do it. Okay? So basically we're gonna shuffle the deck. Just like this. I'll shuffle it. Okay. I'm gonna teach you 3 tricks for beginners if you guys are not like, you know, you're just starting magic. But I've been doing it for 3 years now of cards and magic. So what you're gonna do is grab the top card. I have the 2 of clubs, and that's all I'm doing. So I'm putting it here. Whenever you say stop, I put it right in the middle, going in. But always, if I snap my fingers, it jumps to the top. 2 clubs. Now, we'll try another version of this trick. So what we're gonna do, put it in the middle, just like that. And without snapping my fingers, it's not on top. But if I do snap my fingers just like this, watch this. It jumps right on top. Matter of fact, put it back in. Comes back on top. As a matter of fact, if I put it there, I want the camera to see it up close really good. If I put this card here and I cut half the deck, put the 2 of clubs here, watch really closely. You can see the 2 of clubs. Now that's on top. Now watch. I'll get this close. I get the 2 of clubs. I put the 2 of clubs right here. And I tell you to push it in. Go ahead, push it in. Just like that. Right in the middle. Watch. It jumps to the top. Who do you think I am? Alright, now I'm going to teach you how to do that in the next video. So stay tuned, my guy, because I have to eat my freaking macaroni and freaking cheese and watch Hallmark with my mother. Because she wants me to and I want you to. So, yes. Let's go. So I'm going to teach you how to do that trick. And then the next video, I'm going to teach you the other trick. And then the next video, I'm going to teach you the other trick. So first of all, it just could be a normal deck. It doesn't have to be 52 cards. It at least has to be more than 20 cards. Or minimum is 10 cards. Try to have 52. These deck of cards is just from the dollar store. They're really cheap. I have a lot of bicycle cards. But my mom threw them away while she was cleaning for some reason. But yeah, I had gold cards. Look, two of these decks only for $1. It comes in a combo. So, yeah, it could be shuffled. You let them shuffle, borrow a deck of cards. Doesn't even matter. All you have to do is, what do you have to do? Is just grab 2 cards as one. It's called a double lift. Grab 2 cards as one. Just like that. So you're pretending you're going to put the King of Hearts in the middle. But when you flip it over, because you grab 2 cards as one, you're actually putting a different card in the middle. So it's on top still. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, tell them, okay, hold it just like that, right? And what you're gonna do while they're distracted and saying hold it, you're gonna get a little thumb break at the very last card, and it should look like this with your thumb. And you're gonna say, I'm gonna cut half the deck, and you're gonna tell them put it here, the King of Hearts here, and it's actually there. And then with this card, how you have it loose, all you're going to do is push this up. And that card you had on the thumb, let it go. So it's now on top of here. And you show them this, and you say, okay, it's on top, but it's really not. And then you say, I'm putting the King of Hearts in, but you don't show them that it's not their card, it's this. Just here, push it in. And as they push it in, put this in your mouth in misdirection. Just like that. try to talk normal. It just happens. I say it's gonna jump to the top. 3, 2, 1. And we're like, what? We're like, to the top. We'll be like, mind blown, my dog. Alright, so please get this video to 10,000 likes. And if you want to see that other trick I performed, that has to be 50 likes. Please, my guys. Please, guys. I'm trying to make money during freaking quarantine, okay? Please. Alright. See you in the next one.